What's up, everyone? Wait. Okay. What's up, everyone? We're playing Monkey Mischief today with Sillymonkey.
Horror mode.
Yeah, horror mode. It's apparently
Sillymonkey.
It's apparently very scary.
Alright. Hey, you never.
Let's go square up.
Monkeys up there and monkeys down there. Trust me, you do not want to die.
Alright, I know. We're gonna get a lightsaber.
Wait, do you know how to get the lightsaber? Set me up. If we don't make it, rejoin, okay? Rejoin the code if we don't make it.
Okay, the code is fishy.
Alright, tell me what map it is in.
I don't know what map it's in.
Do you know how to get it?
Oh yeah, it's in this map.
Alright. Where do you think it is?
I know, I've seen where it is. I've seen where it is. It's at the tallest slide.
I know where that is. Follow me.
Right. Should we be scary?
Alright. Oh no, I fell!
Oh my god. Okay, there's an easier way to get there. We just have to get through the scary ones.
Wait. I think I know an easier way, but it's way more risky.
Yeah, it's for the slide,
Follow
right?
me. We're gonna go inside this slide. Go inside the blue slide.
Do the monkeys
walk
come
all
out?
the way up. Walk all the way up the blue slide.
I know, I've done this before.
And get on top of a tree branch.
Buddy, there's a stairway over here.
Wait, no, don't go there!
Why?
Don't! That's where the monkey is.
The monkey is? Okay.
Get on this branch. Get on this. Get on!
What?
Stay!
Oh
He's here!
oh my god, is that a vacuum cleaner?
Alright. Ah!
Oh my god.
Oh,
there's fella. Oh. Oh god! So Sillymonkey's dead. We want to go there. You can see it. Stupid goofy vacuum cleaner down there. I'm gonna do the riskiest play of all time. Oh. No, gonna stay here. I could make that jump. No, wait.
Over. Is anyone there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm on the branch. I'm on a branch.
I just woke up. There's blood all over me.
What do you mean?
I don't know what happened.
Oh my god. I can see you. They're coming. They found me.
I'll go as bait. Don't worry.
But now they're going away.
I'll go as bait. Don't worry.
I keep on jumping on the different branches because I need movement. I can see you. Wait, what is that? Is that you?
It's me. Hi there.
Oh my god.
See, I'm red now. I got a bad sunburn. Alright, hey, you. Oh, we're here. Listen to me.
Yeah?
You are the chosen one.
I am?
The chosen one.
Oh my god.
You are the chosen one.
No way.
So let's start beginning our journey. Let me just bonk on your head. Alright, go on top of my head and climb onto that branch. Move.
What the?
Go right here. Go like up there.
On that branch?
I'm about to fall, no!
Are they down there? Okay.
Right.
I have a very risky.
See that branch right there? See that branch right there?
Yeah.
We need to get to it.
Right. I have a very risky idea.
I'll go first.
Okay, I'm gonna stay right here.
I made it. You go now.
If I don't make it, remember me.
You made it. Let's go.
Yay!
Let's dance. Beep, beep.
Let's fly.
We can't. It's horror mode. It's not
Oh my god.
Man.
Why you got such
long like a normal day, man. When I woke up, I saw this and I cried. Wait. I see the way. What are they doing down there?
I can't see them.
Whoa!
Whoa! What you doing down there? Are
18
they
plus.
making out?
This is not for kids. Alright. See that bridge right there? I see it. Look.
Yeah, I would do a thumbs up, but my thumbs are all broken.
Oh, okay, okay. And then jump onto this one and jump onto the higher one. Okay. No!
Oh my god, I just saved my life.
Oh my god. Master Wu.
Master? But is that no 1865?
Okay, we need to try that again. You go, I'll go first. After you.
Okay,
Remember, you're the chosen one. No!
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I can see you. I think we gotta go to the taller branch right there, right? I don't know where he is, but I don't know where them are, but the last time I saw them, they were making out. And they got the kid was go. And then they got Sillymonkey. Alright. So I'm here now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, Peter. Oh my god. Sillymonkey. Let's see. Sillymonkey! Sillymonkey, you're sure that you're not the chosen one, bro? Like, you came back to life like 3 times now. Good? Homie had too much Zaza?
Yeah. Alright, I have a plan.
Help me, I'm at the top of the tree! Help!
Stay there. Over.
Okay, over.
It won't let me move correctly.
I'm now in a bigger tree.
Bro, is the gravity level here like so much? Cause look at me. Like I can't even
see you. Who's texting my ass? I mean, who's texting me? Are you
Yes.
guys here?
We're trying to find
So basically I died and I
lightsaber.
somehow stopped recording.
We're trying to find the lightsaber. We don't know how to get it.
I know where it is. I know where the lightsaber is.
You are our sacrifice. You're our sacrifice.
Yes.
3. I died.
Oh shoot, he's up there.
He's up
here.
there?
He's
I
up
see
here.
one. Guys, I see one.
He's up here.
Guys,
He's up
don't
here.
fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Oh, I'm gonna fall!
No. He's right down there. You know that, right? No, stop it.
Monkey! That's a monkey!
I'm back.
Oh my god.
By the way, you don't need to restart the game. Guys,
we need to-
guys, who wants to go be a sacrifice with me? Who wants to be a sacrifice
we need to
with me?
restart. I need to restart my game.
No, you monkey, you're coming with me. Monkey, you're coming with me.
I know where to get it, bro. I'm going.
You don't need to restart.
I don't need to restart. Then why is that? Why can't I see everything?
Guys, I'm gonna risk my life.
I think we're in the Deadlands.
The lightsabers somewhere.
I know where it
Guys.
is.
I need help. Yeah.
Oh, monkeys.
Back.
You back?
I'm back, buddy.
Guys, I got the lightsaber. I'm getting the lightsaber. My game broke, so nothing's spawning in.
This monkey's cursed.
Oh my god, I have the lightsaber.
Bro, he can join back.
Oh I'm gonna just.
I touched your friend somewhere.
What? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? What does he mean by that? Oh my God! Is that the? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna rejoin. I'm gonna rejoin Sillymonkey. No, I don't want XX. Fishy. Fishy. I don't know what this real tag. Are you there?
You killed my friend! It's not that big of a deal! I pushed. He's getting mad at me because I pushed you off.
You guys, what's happened? What's happened?
Guys, we need to get along. We need to get along.
I know. I found it last. There's a ramp over. There's a ramp down there to get right to it, but it's gonna be hard.
Alright, I'll be the sacrifice and get on top of the railing. 3. Stop pushing me, man.
I'm not doing it.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
I think he's dead.
Monkey! It's just a monkey! It's just a monkey! Just a monkey. It is just a monkey. It is just a monkey. Jesus. Oh, I'm gonna swear the next time that happens. I'm not even joking about that. I'm gonna say like, I am. That is crazy. It's going. I don't know. Why is that the first time I actually got scared in a video game? Oh my God! I don't want fish. I don't want fish gig. Oh my God! I want fish giggy. I'm back.
Oh, yep. Okay.
I might have got so scared.
We gotta wait for the other guy.
He doesn't think that he needs to rejoin.
Whoa.
Let's go!
He died?
No, he joined.
Yo, let me smack that.
Alright,
No,
you.
stop it.
You. We're gonna sacrifice you if you keep being toxic, okay?
Whoa, he turned red. He turned red, guys.
The only way.
How does
we
touch your
can do
James?
this is teamwork. Because teamwork is the dream work. Got it. Time to sacrifice myself. Go. You, go to the ramp. Go to the ramp. Go to the ramp. Go to the ramp, guys. Go to the ramp.
Go to the ramp together.
Go on the railing. Go on the railing.
Ah, monkey! There's a monkey in my neighborhood. His name is Uncle Joe.
Alright, everyone, follow me.
Oh my God! He's so scary.
He got like
the
blood in
railing.
his heart. You don't want to get to the part of his
I
heart.
feel like he's just like my. I feel like that monkey's super. That monkey actually like is making me almost cry. I'm like genuinely scared, guys.
Yes, follow the railing.
Wait, guys, wait up.
You almost made me fall, bro. No, don't leave it behind. Guys. Okay, let's.
Guys, I'm the
wait
chosen one.
for him.
Remember, I'm the chosen
Guys,
one.
where are you?
He's the chosen one.
Guys, where are you? Okay, wait for him.
We're on the railing.
Like we're
Alright,
we're
we
at
have
the
to
bridge.
wall climb. We have to wall climb, which is very easy in this game.
It is.
So we're good.
All you gotta do
Okay,
is
Darth
get
Vader's.
your hands and then just like flick them and
Guys,
try
I'm
not to fall.
scared. I'm not gonna fall. I'm gonna go while running in
Oh my
this
God.
game and.
I can't do it.
Stop.
Guys, come on,
Yeah,
guys,
stay here.
Guys, maybe there's another way.
This is the easiest way. Shoot.
I can't get to the top. It's too hard. Guys, he's down there. He's down there. I'm not doing it. I'm too scared.
Yeah, stay here. I'll do it.
He's right
Oh
here.
my God! No! Oh, yo, they're making out. They're making out. They're making out.
Who?
My finger.
Guys, I see your name tag. Guys, stay still.
Stay on the railing. Stay on the railing. Stay on the. No! I fell. My monkeys are big and.
Stay on the rocks. Go. Guys, stay on the rocks. Get on the
I'm on the rock.
rocks.
I'm on the rock. I'm on a rock.
Come over here.
I'm distracting them. You're safe.
I'm on a bigger spot.
You're safe.
Bro, you almost made... I accidentally made green fall.
Okay, where are you? Where are you guys? Maybe we should go to the carnival, guys. Maybe we should go to. Maybe it's safe in the carnival.
No. We need the lightsaber, man. You cannot die. You cannot die. You're the chosen one.
Bong, 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 bong.
Alright,
Where do
see
we
you.
go?
Yeah, bye.
Wait, I want to come with.
No, I'm gonna bring the lightsaber to you.
And then we'll
Guys, come
kill
on.
them all.
It's kind of like Uber Eats.
What? All right, I'll just sit here playing my Angry Birds.
Green says he's actually good at the game. Guys, I'm in! You made it!
Guys, I'm getting the lightsabers.
Yeah, pass him down, pass him down.
Pass him down. Go to the rock at the bottom.
It's down there.
Guys, where are you? I'm scared.
We're at
We're on
the
the
rock
rock.
at the bottom, like...
Chew.
Guys,
Yeah.
That was.
does anybody know how to get outside of the map? Because meet me outside of the map.
Alright.
Oh my
We
god.
need to try
Oh my
our
god.
best.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Monkey!
Guys, I'm
Monkey.
getting the lightsaber. I'm there.
Oh,
I'm there.
that's it. Oh yeah.
Monkey! I'm coming back.
Guys.
Yeah. I'm trying to get outside the map.
Give me hope.
Oh,
No,
bro.
trust me, I don't got anything.
Want to break from the ads? If you watch a 30 second, if you watch a free 15-second ad, you'll get 30 minutes of full free streaming.
Guys, I made it outside of the map. Good.
Are there more monkeys out there? Oh my god.
Guys! Over, we need your help.
I'm still on the rock, guys. I'm kind of scared. Not gonna lie.
Guys, get outside of the map.
He doesn't know how.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my
Guys,
god.
I'm
Oh my
getting
god.
the
Oh my god.
lightsabers.
Yes.
I can only deliver 2, so who needs 1?
I need one. I'm the chosen one.
A monkey needs one. We're at the rock.
It's a safe place to practice.
How much is there? How much are there?
There's 3 of them.
Alright,
pass
can I
them
have
back.
one? But I'm gonna try to get up to the map.
Is
Wait,
it one of
did I
the
say-
best monkey's name tag?
I'm at the rock. I'm just chilling down here. I'm having a seizure right now.
Guys, I'm on a tree. I'm trying to find you guys.
I'm on the rock.
Oh, water! I found water.
Found water? Do the monkeys not like water? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm coming down
Guys,
the safest.
Yes.
I got some
Feces?
bad news. I dropped the lightsaber and the monkey ate it.
What?
Wait, the monkey can eat stuff?
Yes! You didn't know that?
I'm gonna try to get
But
outside the
I'm
map.
still good. I'm making it. I'm still making it.
You
to
still
get
have one,
another
right?
lightsaber, so-
No,
Guys,
no,
someone
don't.
make it
I'm
outside of
getting
the
one.
map
I'm
if
getting
you
one.
know how to.
Don't. I'm getting one. Don't worry.
I need one. I'm the chosen one.
Just deliver it. Deliver it to the other monkey on the rock. Okay?
I'm saving up to get Lego Star Wars so you know that I'm a true
What's this?
lightsaber.
I already have Lego Star Wars. Hello, monkeys.
Is it good?
Cool.
I'm trying to get up
Yes,
there.
it's really good.
I need to buy it soon. I need to save up, bro.
You need to get up there, monkey. Robin.
Oh my. Thank you. No, I just need to. No, it just.
Monkey, you're close.
Stop!
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Ah.
Frick you.
Get your own.
Frick you.
What?
Oh no! I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Where'd you go?
Just wait.
You just flipped upside down.
You guys have the lightsabers. Everybody,
Guys,
wait, we're
I'm
getting
gonna
the
kill
other
him.
ones.
Guys, I'm killing the monkey.
Go.
Uh-oh!
You drop it, you dumb. That's it. I'm going to the carnival.
Dumpy. You're safe in carnival, by the way.
Alright. Oh, wait, where are you?
I'm down here.
I'm getting
Monkey!
another lightsaber for me.
I'm down here. Come on.
Alright, monkey.
I don't know how to get to
I'm
carnival.
gonna go. I'm gonna go. You stay here. Follow me,
No,
actually. Follow me.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, there's just a
See
bunch
this
of
little
lines.
white
Oh,
dot?
guys, go to carnival.
Yeah, right here, right here. Follow my voice.
Is that Obi-Wan Kenobi? No way. Go! No.
Alright, I'll go as a tearful sacrifice.
Wait, I can't see you. Wait, what? I didn't mean to fall. I didn't mean to fall.
Guys, my headset's about to die.
No!
Once we get to... I don't know where you went.
Oh, up here! Yeah.
I'm
Right.
getting one. I'm getting another one.
So we're safe in carnival?
No, yeah. Alright, get up here. Yeah,
I'm
we're
getting
safe
one.
in
I'm getting
carnival.
it. I'm getting it. I'm getting it.
I'm going. I'm gonna try to get outside the map in carnival. Cause I learned it's easier to get out.
Okay, I can see you. So we're safe in carnival?
Yeah.
And where are you?
I just explore, man.
I'm going in the big bouncy slide.
Guys, I'm Luke Skywalker.
Oh my god, Luke Skywalker from Star Wars? No way.
Guys, if I die, it's because my headset's dead.
Okay, if you die, I stop. I made it to the top of the big dome. Alright, so guess we're free now. I'm gonna end the video. End the video. I don't know if anyone's gonna actually watch. What is?
I made it outside the map.
Oh my god! You made it outside the map. True legend. Well, I'm gonna end the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you laughed when I screamed like a child. Oh, I have 300. I have 300 crystals. Dang, bro, I look 1,000, 300. Pirate. How much is the gingerbread? Are you kidding? No. I like this monkey. Is that a relative? Do I have the new monkey? Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, well. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.